Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you an option which exists in Microsoft Word which allows you to create an Excel spreadsheet. So let's open any Word document which we want to include in an Excel spreadsheet, or we want to create one. And here we're going to click last one. Here we're going to click insert. We'll select table, and in table we are going to select Excel spreadsheet. Once done, make sure that you have closed all your Excel files. Once done, Excel will open, and here you can create, edit an Excel spreadsheet as like you have Excel running. So we'll just accept that this is inside a Microsoft Word. You can add as many sheets as you want. You can rename. You will have all the functionalities which works in Excel sheet, except that they are running inside Microsoft Word. Once you are done, just click to save your data, for example, and once done, just click anywhere out and you will have the Excel spreadsheet running. To read it again, just click inside it and Microsoft Office will allow you to read it using Excel functionalities. Once done, click out and you are back to your Word file. Once finished, again, just click save and your job has been saved. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.